Hello everyone, so I'm going to be making my top hat, and once again, as you can see, it's quite dead, but I'm going to be keeping the fabric and the bottom piece because I think those are fine. It's just what's holding up the fabric. So I had hot glued it down, and now I'm having to tear that off. A little harder than I thought. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut. And for the bottom piece, I used a thing of cardboard, just normal cardboard, and I took, hold on, so complicated, it's just fabric and glue. Okay. Let's cut that off. Alright. Take those insides out. Alright, so for the bottom, I used a circle of cardboard, and I sewed the fabric through the cardboard and around the side. You can see that. And then on the bottom, I took a piece of duct tape and I taped these bobby pins on there, and then I went in on the sides and hot glued underneath. Alright, now this time I'm going to be using a water bottle, and I'm just gonna slip it around that and see how long it needs to be. I'm running it pretty tight, so I need to secure it. And it looks like it's about right here. So I'm going to take a pocket knife real quick and just cut right there. And then just cut across that line. It'd probably be better if you had an X-Acto knife to use one, but mine is down in the garage and I don't really feel like going and getting it. Okay, just cut across here. Now, you might want to dry it out real quick, so I'm going to go do that and I will be back. Alright, so I've dried it out. Now I'm going to put it here just to see. Okay. Now I've seen that some of the hat does not go all the way down. So I'm going to cut it to where it does. Alright, so now that I can see that that part is there, take my knife again and cut. You want to cut on the smallest part because you can always fold these in, the longer pieces in more, but you can't stretch out the shorter pieces enough. So just go right where that is. And cut that. Alright, and now before you actually put it in, now that I have the right size, I want to get this wrapper off. So now you have the right size. Okay. I'm going to slip that over. You can really use any kind of fabric. I used a sort of fuzzy fabric just because I liked it better. Now, you can either hot glue it down or sew it. I prefer hot glue. But what I want to do real quick is take some duct tape and tape down the sides that are really loose. Just so that way, the only duct tape I have right now is this really blue color. Either that or like a really bright green. And just gonna fold the pieces in, tape them down. Like so. You just want to make sure that your creases are at the top of the hat. Alright. And tape it down. Whoop, stuck to my nail. More duct tape. This is the last one, so I'm not going to get that much. Just fold it in and tape it down. There you we go. And then I'm gonna go get my hot glue gun real quick, and I will be right back. Alright, so let's try this again. Alright, so while that is preparing, let's go over to our tail ribbon. Alright. You don't want any rough edges, or if you do, I mean, it doesn't matter. Take your scissors and cut off the rough edges. I'm gonna straighten it out. Mine has been tied for so long that it's all wrinkled. Be easier. Just take it and cut off each edge by itself instead of trying to do it together. If your fabric is straight, it would probably be best to do it together, but mine is just so wrinkled that it's not working like that. I'm seeing that my hot glue gun is ready, so we will get back to that. Alright, so now just glue down those places that weren't glued before. You want to press down on it just to make sure that it sticks. Alrighty. Once you have it all glued down, like so, it's a little top hat. Alright, now we want to unplug that. Hey guys, just wanted to say that I won't be able to put up any pictures for this video, but I will for the next video, so just keep an eye out for that.